I have here a digital voice recorder. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to see what it looks like, and I'm going to try it out. So inside here, got some instructions, some easy way to use it. Got the recorder and some different cords. So I'm going to finish taking everything out, and I'll show you individually how everything works. So it comes with instructions, a little lanyard that I'll touch in a second. And it comes with the charging cord right here, some headphones, USB-C, and then an audio adapter. So right here, you can just put this little lanyard through right here and pull it through, and then you'll be able to hold it on your hand without it falling or getting lost. So when you first get it, you're going to want to turn it on with this button right here. I have it turned on. Then you can long press the menu, and then I can scroll through it by clicking right here. And then I can go to system settings right here. And then I can go down, go to language, and then click that. Then I can make sure it's on English, and then it's set up for me. So right here is where you're going to speak into it, or where the sound's going to come into. This is the headphone jack. So if you want to put the headphones in, just push it in right here, and you can use the headphones right there. And then over here, it does say right here, this is the record and save right here. This is the volume up and down. And on this other side, this is where you will charge it. And then right here, there's a little tiny reset button if you need to reset it. So right now I turned it on, and it's on the main screen right here. And if I click the menu, just clicking it once without holding it down, it's going to switch to this test file, so you can make sure things are running smoothly. And then if I push play, you'll be able to hear some fun sounds. And it sounds really good. And then these are the reverse and the next. So if I want to go next, it's going to go to the next one. And then if I want to go to the previous one, I click that, and it will go there. So one really nice thing, it can be off, and then you can just flip this right here and it'll start recording. So I'll show you that right now. So it's going to turn on, and it'll automatically start recording. This is a test to see if it's working. And then when I'm done, I can just flip it back down, and it will save what I just did. So now that it got recorded, I can push play. This is a test to see if it's working. And then I can push pause if I need to, and it stopped where it was. And I can push play, and then I can even come over here and push stop, and it will start it all the way over if I want to push play. So you'll want to also make sure you go into the menu and then to settings and go to the date and time and set that, because when you record it, it's going to record the name as the date and time. So that's how you're going to know what the file was when you recorded it from the date and time. So this digital voice recorder is super nice. It's nice and small. It fits perfect in the hand. It's nice with this little lanyard, so it's not going to fall. It's made from a nice material, so it's going to last a long time. It's very, very easy to use, really user friendly. It's nice. It comes with all the cords that you need, and you can also hook it up to your computer if you need. So I'd recommend it to anyone that needs a nice voice recorder. Super nice and really easy to use.